Mixing pineapple and watermelon together creates a highly refreshing juice that is packed with lots of health benefits. In this video, I'll be showing how to make pineapple watermelon juice alongside with its health benefits. So to make this juice, I'll be transferring some watermelon chunks into the blender and some pineapple chunks as well. For this juice, the quantity of pineapple I'm using is half that of watermelon. So I'll be adding little water to it just to aid the blending process, then cover and allow to blend properly. While that's blend, let me tell us more about the health benefits of consuming this juice. They are high in vitamin C, which helps to boost the immune system. They aid in the digestion process. They help to keep the body hydrated at all times. They also help to promote a healthy skin and support good eye health. There are other health benefits of consuming this juice, but this is just to mention a few. So after blending, I'll be straining the puree through this fine sieve in order to get the juice. You can choose to use a cheesecloth as well. So just keep stirring it this way in order to get more juice from the pulp. And that's it guys, our pineapple watermelon juice is pretty much ready. Let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying it out. Thank you very much for watching guys. Please kindly subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Like, share and leave me a comment in the comment section. Until I come your way next time, do remember to always eat healthy and stay healthy. Bye bye.